Can you talk to me about the preparation? You prepare all year long for a 10-day tournament. You played in PBAD, now into the UAP. What's that like?
I think in terms of preparation, before the season 88 starts, we made it a point na our mindset is to play na in the championship, in the finals game, so that everybody's are ready to compete, and at the same time, we are ready to play against whoever our opponent will be. So that also, I think as the captain of the team, I've made sure na the mindset ng each and every one of us, like, is to play like it's the last game of their life.
Yeah.
To give it all, to play with the heart.
At yun yung ginawa ng teammates mo at ikaw, Lear, din.